there are luxury yachts that celebrities visit. And then, there is Koru, a 417-foot sailing yacht so recognizable that when it appears in a harbor, cameras seem to follow. Built for Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, Koru has become more than a symbol of billionaire wealth. It has become a floating meeting point for some of the biggest names in entertainment, from Leonardo DiCaprio and Kim Kardashian to Katy Perry and Oprah Winfrey. But the real question is this: what makes a yacht this enormous so attractive to people who could afford almost anything? The answer begins with the yacht itself. Koru was built by Dutch shipyard Oceanco and delivered in 2023. At roughly 127 meters, or 417 feet, it is one of the largest sailing yachts ever constructed and is widely regarded as the world's largest traditional sailing yacht. And unlike the sleek motor yachts that dominate billionaire marinas, Koru looks almost like a giant classic schooner. 3 enormous masts rise above its dark hull, giving the yacht a completely different character. Its design was developed with Dijkstra naval architects, while the interior was created by Mlinarik, Henry and Zervudaci. The result combines traditional sailing imagery with modern superyacht engineering. The name itself is also meaningful. Koru comes from a Maori symbol associated with growth and new beginnings. And that idea became surprisingly appropriate for Bezos, because shortly after the yacht entered his life, it became part of one of the most talked about chapters of his personal life. In 2023, Bezos proposed to Lauren Sneentjes while they were aboard Koru during their travels in the Mediterranean. Suddenly, the yacht wasn't just another billionaire possession. It had become part of their story. But Koru wasn't built merely to look impressive in photographs. The numbers reveal how serious this project really was. The yacht measures about 127 meters in length, has a gross tonnage of roughly 3,493 GT, and can accommodate up to 18 guests across 9 staterooms. Depending on the published specification, it can carry around 40 crew members. Think about that ratio. A relatively small group of guests can have an enormous floating environment almost entirely dedicated to them. And that's the fundamental difference between a superyacht and an ordinary luxury vacation. You're not sharing the experience with hundreds of strangers. The crew, the decks, the dining areas, the entertainment spaces, and the entire journey are built around a private group. Koru also has a swimming pool and multiple jacuzzis, along with expansive outdoor areas designed around life at sea. But perhaps the most visually impressive feature is above the deck. Those 3 towering masts are not decoration. They are what gives Koru its identity as a sailing yacht. And they created a major engineering challenge before Koru even reached the open sea. The yacht was constructed upriver from Rotterdam. At one point, its enormous masts were too tall to pass beneath the historic Koningshaven Bridge in the configuration required for the journey. A proposal to temporarily dismantle part of the bridge triggered public opposition. Eventually, Koru left without its masts installed, allowing the vessel to continue toward the sea. The masts were fitted later. Imagine spending hundreds of millions of dollars creating a private sailing yacht and then discovering that the final obstacle isn't the ocean, it's a bridge. But once Koru reached open water, the yacht entered a completely different world. Its maximum speed is reported at around 17 knots, powered by twin MEM2 diesel engines, while its enormous sails provide the defining character of the vessel. And then came the guests. Koru became particularly famous in 2024, when Bezos and Sneentjes were seen cruising the Mediterranean with a group that included Kim Kardashian, Leonardo DiCaprio, Katy Perry, and Orlando Bloom. The celebrity connection didn't stop there. Koru also became part of Bezos and Sneentjes' wedding celebrations in 2025, including a pre-wedding celebration aboard the yacht. Reports also documented celebrity friends such as Oprah Winfrey, Gayle King, Katy Perry and Usher around the couple's celebrations. And in late 2025, the yacht made headlines again when Leonardo DiCaprio and Vittoria Soretti were photographed aboard Koru near St. Bart's during the holiday period. That's when Koru starts to feel less like a yacht and more like a floating social club for the ultra-famous. But there's another fascinating detail. The interior is surprisingly difficult for the public to see. Oceanco's description emphasizes a timeless contemporary style, natural wood tones, warm neutral colors, and patterned textiles. Yet relatively few authentic interior photographs have been released publicly. And that absence is important. Because the most exclusive luxury isn't always something you can photograph. Sometimes, it's the fact that almost nobody gets to see it. The yacht is also supported by Aviona, a separate support vessel that travels with Koru and helps provide additional operational capability, including a helipad. So when Bezos and his guests disappear across the ocean, they're not simply taking a boat. They're taking an entire private operation with them. As for the famous $500 million figure, it's widely reported, but the exact final construction cost has not been publicly established as an official confirmed figure. So the safest description is that Koru is commonly reported to have a value or construction cost in the neighborhood of $500 million. And perhaps that's what makes Koru so fascinating. It's not the biggest motor yacht. It's not the fastest yacht. It doesn't need to be. Koru was built around a different idea, combining the romance of a classic sailing ship with the scale, privacy and technology of a modern billionaire superyacht. At 417 feet, with 3 towering masts and room for just 18 guests, it creates something remarkably rare. A private world that can move. And when celebrities step aboard, they're not simply boarding Jeff Bezos' yacht. They're entering one of the most exclusive floating environments ever created. For more stories behind the world's most extraordinary yachts, private jets, and billionaire lifestyles, subscribe to Billionaire Files.